To successfully approach your crush, preparation is key. Confirm they are not already in a relationship and present your best self to boost your confidence. Begin by striking up a casual conversation, either in person or with a friendly text, as this serves as a natural segue into the actual question. Remember to maintain eye contact and smile to signal your interest. When you are ready to ask them out, be specific and direct by suggesting a low-commitment activity, such as coffee or dinner, that aligns with their known interest, ensuring you include a specific date and time. Finally, approach the situation with maturity and confidence, preparing a diplomatic response for potential rejection. If they decline, smile, wish them well, and let them know there are no hard feelings, which demonstrates maturity and eliminates future awkwardness.